So good morning everyone. It is 8:30 in the morning and this is the last day. I'm going to be here for the next few hours in Mussoorie और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस टाइम पे right now at this time in the morning the weather is amazing and I didn't know, I just wanted to play a nice tune out here. It looks very cinematic out here. The background is awesome. So बस यही है. There's nothing much to do in the morning. आज I'll just chill, go anywhere I want to. Maybe just sit back and enjoy a cup of tea and lunch and whatever. But I'm gonna I'll just try and show something whenever I can. So that's it. See you again. Bye bye. GoPro stop recording. This is the background that I have behind me. This is beauty at its best, and I'll show you as much as I can. And this is how it is. There's sunlight on this side of the mountain, and there's shade there, and then sunlight over there, and the distant cottage that you see is basically it belongs to some Colonel Skillers, and he apparently headed the first Indian Army unit, the very first Indian Army unit. So this place is beautiful. I have been saying that again and again, but that's the truth. You can have a look at it again. And the height of this thing is pretty much, I'm not sure how much, but it's very high.
हेलो एवरीवन. अभी जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था, अभी फिर एक मौका मिला है बाहर जाने का, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू on the pillion seat of Royal Enfield 500X, and before I go back I want to enjoy this one last ride before heading towards home. Yay.
To Delhi by flight, then I'll have my flight from Delhi to Ahmedabad tomorrow around 11. So we are back in Delhi now. We are in the Delhi airport. I had a very nice sleep on the way back in the flight, and here to collect my luggage, and then I'll head off the place that I'm staying before I leave for Ahmedabad tomorrow, the back flight to Ahmedabad. So this marks the beginning of the end of my trip.
And as usual, Starbucks spelled my name wrongly, you know. It's like Abhishek for them. It's not Abhishek anymore. But still good. Hi, and I'm back in Ahmedabad. You know, it was an amazing trip, and it felt all the way more better, you know, क्योंकि आप लोग मेरे साथ थे. From Ahmedabad से देहरादून, देहरादून से Mussoorie, Mussorie to देहरादून, देहरादून and back to Ahmedabad. बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया, और होपफुली आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, और अगर पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल इफ़ यू वांट टू. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. आई विल बी कमिंग अप विद मोर एंड मोर एक्साइटिंग वीडियोज़, सो फोर्थ एंड सो ऑन. तो मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो, एंड आई विल सी यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल अगेन. बाय.